be talking about cells and organisms.
Have you ever wondered what separates living things from non-living things? There are a few properties that we can use to distinguish non-living things from living things, including growth, reproduction, the use of energy, interacting to the environment, and consisting of at least one cell.
Cell theory, a fundamental theory of biology, states the following 3 facts. Number 1, every single living organism has at least one cell. Number 2, cells are the smallest unit of life. Number 3, all cells come from pre-existing cells. This all started way back when an English scientist named Robert Hooke inspected cells in cork tissue. He realized they looked like the rooms monks live in, which are called cells. So he named them cells.
Nearly 200 years later, German scientists Theodor Schwann and Matthias Schleiden proposed that all plants and animals are made of cells. And nearly 30 years after that, German physician Rudolf Virchow stated that all cells come from pre-existing cells.
Cells are considered the building blocks of life, and they are like Lego bricks. Organisms with one cell are called unicellular, and those with more than one cell are called multicellular. One example of a unicellular organism is E. coli, because its one cell has everything it needs to reproduce, grow, and those with an example of a multicellular organism is you, me, your pet fish if you have one. Those need many cells to build together to make the organism.
There are many parts of cells. The wall of the cell is called the cell membrane, which controls what goes in and out of the cell. The cell membrane is what's called selectively permeable, which means it controls what goes in and out of the cell. Small polar and small non-polar particles or molecules can easily cross in or out of the cell as long as they are not harmful to the cell's well-being. Large polar molecules often cannot cross into the cell easily and may need the help of transport proteins.
The cell is a jelly-like substance called the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm are many organs called organelles, which literally translates to mini organs. These organelles have different structures for different functions inside the cell.
One of the most important organelles is called the nucleus. The nucleus is like the info database of the cell. Another one is the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. It turns sugar, or glucose to be specific, into adenosine triphosphate, also known as ATP, which is an energy unit for organisms.
Remember when I said that cells are like Lego? Well, they really are. Cells make up tissues, tissues make up organs, organs make up organ systems, and organ systems make up the human body. Cells are the smallest unit in the hierarchy of an organism.
That's true. Cells, just like Legos, all of them come together, many of them, all come together to make one big thing. In our case, it's a human, or any organism for that matter, just like any Lego structure you would find a kid building. But before we go, I have a question for you guys. Have you ever wondered why plants and animals are so different in how they acquire food, their structure, and even how they interact with other things?
I want you guys to give us one similarity and one difference between plant and animal cells in the comment down below. Whoever gets the first correct answer gets a shout out in the next video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.